video. I lost 2 nails in cleaning today, but that's okay. I need to redo them anyways. So, I have been on a kicking plastic out of my house slowly but surely kind of thing, other than water bottles, because we need to find another alternative for that. But let me show you what I'm so these I'm only taking out because I saw a video of a mom opening them and they were so moldy and disgusting inside. So I'm taking these out, these plastic trays. Taking these out. These are mainly me and my husband's. I love them when I bought the house. They were so handy, but it's time to go. I just got these plates maybe 6 months ago. But then I did go to Bamboo, which are down here. But apparently those are bad as well. So I took those out. I'm taking these out. I actually bought another set, stainless steel one. So that'll be coming in a couple weeks. But yeah, so I'm taking those out. I took cups out as well. But this is what I'm replacing my daughter's plates with. I already washed them, so they are ceramic, and they do have a silicone on the outside so that, in case she does drop it. I got these cups. They're glass. I do want to get the stainless steel ones as well. The straw is silicone, but I do have other straws. But yeah, they're glass. They're already washed. I got 2 glass cups for me and my husband. They do come with glass straws for us to drink our coffee out of. These are replacing the gray ones that I showed you guys, and they are stoveware. So I got these little ones, and then I got these big ones. I thought these were a little bit smaller, but they're okay. They're really heavy duty though. Now these guys, you guys probably watched that video where I actually, when I got them all, they all started cracking. This is the only one that did not crack. I'm gonna give this to my grandma or my mom, whoever wants it. Yes, I am keeping her Spider-Man bamboo plates for sandwiches and stuff, because they're new. I do have mason jars already, and I did just get these big cups for $5 at Target. But yeah, I am keeping obviously my silicone straw. I do have some plastic ones down there that go with my coldest water bottle. But keeping the silicone straws, glass, and also my metal straws. But yeah, the transition is it's gonna take a while. This is just kind of what I'm starting with. But yeah, my next big thing is definitely gonna be pots and pans, and the utensils to cook with, which are so freaking expensive, y'all. I did not know that, but they are so expensive. Oh, yeah, I don't even think I even showed you, but yeah, or did I? Yes, I did. They're so pretty. These nice ones. It's dark brown on top because I put whatever was left over from the other one on top. But I'm replacing all that. It just feels good. All right, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. No, good morning. What time is it? My daughter actually woke up super early today. It is 9:52. She actually woke up at 6:30 this morning, which is different for her. But yeah, she woke up very early. Unfortunately, my husband yesterday started sounding like he's coming down with something, and it's like, can't catch a freaking break. We literally had norovirus last month, and then obviously the months prior to that I was recovering, and then a month prior to that I was nauseous all the time. So yeah, I'm tired. So we'll see. He says it's just his runny nose since yesterday. I'm hoping that it's allergies because he did put away our Christmas stuff the day prior to that. I'm hoping that it's just allergies kicking his butt. But I did check to see if he had temperature last night, and I feel like he had a low grade one. I even did the machine. It said 101, kind of low grade, 101. But he was under the blankets when I did it, so I don't know. Might have had a fever, might have not. I made him an appointment at 3 o'clock today for when he gets out of work to go to urgent care. Let's see if he actually does it. But I told him, honestly, we didn't know norovirus is norovirus. We thought it was food poisoning until my daughter started throwing up. So I just want if you have something, so at least we are prepared. So they kind of get a gist of it before. For example, like if it is, God forbid, the flu, then we know if my daughter starts getting sick, it's the flu and it's more serious than it being a cold, right? Like, I don't know. Yeah, I just want to be on top of it. But yeah, I stopped vlogging yesterday. It's really hard to get used to that. I'm playing with my daughter's butter cloud. It's like a slime, and it's the coolest thing ever. And I want to buy a whole bunch more for me. I'm gonna give it my daughter Priscilla, like just in case. I did buy Janexa's another Tylenol. She has another Tylenol, like making sure I have Tylenol on hand, making sure I have ibuprofen on hand, and I also just got a allergy from Janexa, like medicine in case it is allergies. He usually takes Claritin, but he hates it because it makes him so drowsy. So I got Janexa to see if it's better. Well, it's better in general, ingredients wise. And then I also got, well, not got, I've been having the Janexa flu and cold symptoms that you can also give to children over the age of 3. So that's good to know, so that if it's unfortunately that, we have that for my daughter as well. And it's chewable, so she's been doing really good with chewable since we started giving her the higher vitamins. So even like her Tylenol that's chewable, she'll chew it like no problem now. Good, because the liquids, my baby don't like them. She automatically barfs it up. So yeah. So hopefully he is I. um I feel like this year it's just, I mean, it's more in year. The last couple of months have been so rough, on top of rough, on top of rough, but everybody is sick or getting sick or has had norovirus, the flu, COVID, and I mean, I had COVID in August, so I feel like it's just back to back, not getting a break, and I'm tired. And I only have one daughter, and she's not even in school or in preschool. Well, COVID was from Florida, but still, just feels like I can't imagine everybody who has like a whole bunch of kids in school. We just get sick from my husband bringing it home. I can't imagine. Just I don't know. Homeschooling sounds so good. All right, if you guys haven't been here for a while, you guys don't know, but I used to make my daughter praise literally from 1 to like even putting in like with yogurt and stuff. She was like probably stopped when she was like 2ish. But that blender was literally so done, which was the NutriBullet. All the plastics were like all messed up. Anyways, I just recently ordered a blender, a Ninja blender, for smoothies for me, my daughter, and my husband. And then when I do make like birria and stuff like that, I'll make it easier. And then I also got a waffle maker because I keep buying the minis and I wanted a full size waffle maker for faster breakfasts. But your girl sent it to her mom's house, so my mom's gonna drop it off later. She doesn't want to come inside because, again, my husband, we don't know what he has. Um, but I did get my daughter's plates. I gotta wash them right now, but they came in. I told you guys yesterday. I think I told you guys yesterday. I accidentally bought the smaller ones, which are a lot smaller, which was not going to work for my 3-year-old. So I had to reorder it and get the bigger ones. I got just the purple and pink ones. So I'm going to go ahead and wash those. All right, so that is actually where I have her plates. That's all my coldest water bottles. Now, I was thinking of actually those back there, getting rid of them too, but I'm not going to do that, guys, because no. I literally put cold things in there. I might buy like one glass kind of snack set, but other than that, I think we're good. Again, I am keeping the Spidey ones. That's her favorite thing right now, so I'm gonna keep those. But yeah, so I feel like me buying 2 of each is like perfect because I just have one daughter. So those, and then her bowls, and then her cute little cups. I have enough room for her 2 metal ones that I want to get that are going to be this color, these colors, since those are her 2 favorite colors, purple and pink. So yeah, that is definitely so much better than what I had before and the big mess that I had. All right, so I started dinner already. Nothing new that you guys haven't seen. I'm literally doing the pepperoni pizza for my daughter again, and I'm doing pizza for me and my husband, and then I'm gonna do He was supposed to pick up pizza and was gonna go to the urgent care. But he decided that he doesn't need to go to urgent care for just having burgers. And he picked up another store. So yeah, I am annoyed. So yeah, I made him some chicken soup with quinoa to hopefully help him get better, whatever he has. And then the pizza, which is still hot because it's cottage cheese. All right, so since my husband is, we don't know what he is, my mom picked up some strawberries and she brought over the blender and my new waffle maker. And I am gonna go ahead and put these big old strawberries that she got to wash because my daughter loves strawberries and she just finished her 2-pack from Costco. Again, anyone else feel like they are washing um, their hands so often again because there's so much freaking illness right now everywhere? I'm like, my hands hurt. Been using this for washing those guys. Let me actually bring them here so you can see the new. Maybe I shouldn't say it like that. Ash Trevino, that annoying girl on TikTok. Anyways, lady, whatever. So I got this waffle maker. I'm excited to have a full size. I've only had minis ever since we bought the house. And this is the NutriBullet, the Ninja that I got to replace my NutriBullet. Isn't she beautiful? She's so expensive too, but yeah, I needed to get a couple things that. I mean, I've had my house for 5 years this year, and I did use that a lot because again for my daughter. But the waffle maker, she likes waffles now, so definitely that little one teeny tiny plate is taking forever for me to just make some for me and for my husband and her. Guys, this vlog was full of plates and cups, and I'm sorry, but that's it. I'm gonna call it a vlog. My husband got home and he's just been sleeping. He still has a fever, so I might be gone for a while again. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already, and thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.